Imagine this. You wake up and instead of struggling to remember your dream, an AI tells you exactly what you saw, what it meant, and maybe even what it predicts about your future. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, AI dream readers claim they can do exactly that. But can they really work? AI dream analysis works by tracking brain activity, eye movement, and even body temperature while you sleep. Some advanced AI systems use EEG headbands, sleep trackers, and even your smartphone microphone to listen for sounds you make while dreaming. But the real question is, how accurate is this technology? Can AI actually see what we dream? I decided to put one of these AI dream readers to the test. Last night, I wore this while sleeping, and today it's supposed to tell me what I dreamed about. Let's see if it gets it right. It says I had a dream about being in a strange house with hidden rooms. That's weird, because I do remember something like that. But wait, was it reading my mind, or just making a lucky guess? AI doesn't actually see dreams like a movie. Instead, it looks at brain activity and compares it to thousands of sleep patterns. If your brain waves match those of someone who dreamt about flying, the AI might guess you were flying too. But that's not exactly mind reading, is it? Scientists say AI dream reading is still in its early stages. While AI can detect sleep stages and even recognize emotions in dreams, fully decoding them like a movie is far from reality for now. So, can AI actually read dreams? Not quite. It can make educated guesses based on brain activity, but it's not seeing your dreams the way you remember them. But imagine if one day AI could record our dreams like a video. Would you want to watch yours? Or would some things be better left forgotten? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more crazy tech experiments.